Political signs have officially been banned from all public roadsides and all public property. Senator Tommy Morrison's substitute Bill 138 lapsed into Public Law 3467 on November 11th, which means that the governor neither signed nor vetoed the bill. This new public law will only allow political signs to be posted on private property. Political signs are defined as signs that advocate voting for or against candidates or other matters to be considered by the electorate. However, if the private property is adjacent to any public roadway, the political signs must also be at least 8 feet from the paved portion of the roadway and posted in such a manner that would not impede traffic or drivers' visibility. This new sign law will be enforced by the Department of Public Works.
You cannot put signs on public easements. It's got to be all on private property. And the current signage law, which regulates the size of signs, still remains intact for residential, for commercial, for industrial. And what they repealed was, in the past, when a political candidate wanted to put up his signs throughout the island, they'd come and put a deposit, and we'd give them instructions on how to post their signs up, and so it doesn't impede traffic. Well, that's all been repealed.
No longer be a need to put down a deposit with DPW on these political signs because they simply won't be allowed on public property anymore.
We enforce sign laws as best as we can, yes. And that process is that we, if there's a violation, we would issue, whoever the perpetrator is or the violator is, we issue them a notice of violation, and that same notice of violation goes to the Attorney General's office. And in this case, the penalty is $1,000, not to exceed $1,000 per violation. So if you have different violations, then again, it's up to the Attorney General to claim.
The new law also makes it clear that this will not apply to, quote, any political sign used in connection with roadside waving on property by persons who actively attend said roadside waving, end quote.